today is Saturday and we are heading to Arizona dahil tatagpuin namin yung kapatid ni Austin doon. And we are officially about 2 weeks back here in California. So far, it's been good. And we are still getting our house settled down. But, yeah, hindi pa kami nakakapag-ayos ng mga drawers. Kaya meron pa kami mga boxes dyan. But most of our boxes are already in place. We're just waiting for our couch to get delivered in 2 weeks. And then I think we should be good. Dahil meron na kami ditong IKEA drawers. Ang nangyayari kasi is pumunta kami sa Sacramento para kunin yung iba pa naming gamit doon at para na din makapag-IKEA. But then, yung IKEA doon is wala na ng drawer na gusto namin. So, we end up getting it delivered here from LA. And hindi pa namin siya nagagawa dahil gusto lang namin magpahinga for now. And yeah, after this, all of this, after namin makuha yung iba pa naming gamit, sa kapatid ni Austin, we should be good. In about a week or so, we should be all settled in dito sa bahay. Just wanna give you a quick update. It's currently 8:43 and we're gonna be staying the night there. Well, we're just gonna stay in our truck para hindi na kami bumayad ng hotel dahil meron din kaming dog. We're gonna stay the night there and then head back here. Another adventure time. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I have my backpack here dahil nandito ang aking iPad and jackets to edit. iPad to edit, and then we are bringing our dog, and then we have dog food here. See you guys later. Say bye. Are coming with us, Karma.
You go ahead and go get.
Ito din pala yung labas namin, guys. Super foggy. Ayan. Meron kaming park doon. Just right there. And this is our neighbors. Do you think she knows? Ooh, you know where you're going, huh?
No.
She knows. Coachella area, and we still have about 7 to 8 hours of drive, something like that.
5 to 6 hours.
Oh, 5 to 6 hours. Hindi pa kami kumakain, guys. Wala pa kaming breakfast. Though meron naman kaming mga snacks dito, but we're getting hungry. So we are gonna go stop by maybe sa gas station lang. Meron kasi ditong magandang gas station. Ang pangalan is Chili's. Around sa parang Coachella area siya, kaso ang masama, gusto kasi namin bumili ng magnet ng Coachella, kaso wala sila doon. So we're gonna look around here for now, but it looks really good here. Like our drive from the start going over here, they're all like super nice. Yeah, just scenic views, which we like. You guys know that we love to go to the scenic drives. But yeah, so far so good. It doesn't feel like we've been driving for like 4 hours or 5 hours now dahil super ganda, guys, ng mga tanawin dito. A bit traffic earlier sa LA area, but yeah, as of the moment it looks very nice. So the camera doesn't do justice at all dito nakita namin sa aming drive. Tomorrow we're gonna be heading back. Hindi pa namin sure kung magsaswap kami ng truck sa kapatid ni Austin. We'll see dahil yung truck daw nung kapatid ni Austin is diesel. So, he doesn't know if it's gonna start tomorrow pag pinatay niya yung engine or something like that. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm trying to explain as much. So yeah, guys, we'll see you guys later. Bye!
Yeah. Yeah, and it's like during the week it's cheaper. Weekends are always more expensive.
Turn left onto Dillon Road. Right to Merchant City.
We are in Arizona right now. This is our view. Look at that. So pretty. She need to pee. In Arizona. There's a lot of trucks. Hi guys, so we are still 1 hour away sa Phoenix, Arizona. That's what we're gonna be meeting Austin's brother Bill. But I wanted to show you guys what our view looks like right now. It looks really pretty. Look at that. Super nice.
Here at about 8 o'clock,
Oh, really?
and then getting back here will be about 9:30.
Okay. And then we stop here and then
I'll stop here and go to sleep.
yeah. We're gonna be keep on updating you maybe later dahil pag katapos namin sa Phoenix, Arizona, we're planning to drive back. Hindi naman tuloy-tuloy doon sa aming bahay. But yeah, we're gonna try to drive back a little bit. Pabalik para bukas is konti na lang drive dahil is it about 8 hours of drive going home?
Yeah, I think so.
Or 9?
8
Or
or 9
10?
hours.
Yeah. So yun, para mas menos-menos sa oras. Balak din sana namin mag-drive bukas papunta sa San Diego, but maybe that's not gonna happen like tomorrow, but we will for sure gonna like check it out as well. So we're excited! Can you say hi to the guys?
Hi.
So yeah guys, we'll see you guys later or tomorrow. Bye! So they finally got it off and then ita-transfer naman namin siya sa aming truck. Bye! Thank you.
Man, that's a fucked up one.
Yeah, it's not that great at all. That's good. Chair hasn't moved. Your picture, I hope it's okay.
Okay.
This shifted a little, but that's not really that bad. It's still.
There you go.
Hold on, we can do an unboxing.
Hi guys, so we just got all of our stuff. Isang U-Haul na naman. And then now we are heading back. Pabalik sa California, but we're not gonna be driving all the way through. But we're only like 7 hours away, so that's not bad. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Making Austin to clean our windshield para pag nag-video ako is wala niyang mga dumi-dumi. It's currently 4:35.
I don't get how the moon gets.
That's pretty. Hi guys, so today is Sunday and we are heading back home. We still have 1 hour and 30 minutes. Nandito kami ngayon sa LA area and so far the traffic is not too bad, right?
No, it's good.
Yeah, because it's Sunday and
Yeah, it was worse traffic yesterday.
yeah, people are probably in the church. After this, we're gonna maybe take a nap first before unloading again. So today is still Sunday. It's currently 4:15 p.m. So, nung pagkadating pala namin is umidlip kami or tumulog muna kami for a few hours and now we are back in the garage and we're gonna unload this. You ready?
No.
Never ready. So yeah, this is some of our garage stuffs pa. So yan, konti lang naman to. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this. So, ganito kalapit yung bahay na nire-rent namin sa park. So, If makikita nyo, merong mga batang naglalaro dyan. Which is kinda nice. People are biking and like playing.
Especially if it's wet.
Yeah. Everyone else
Don't know why it isn't home.
do this, yeah.
You good with that right there?
Yeah. Trash is... Grill now. Oh yeah. That's not good. There you go. I think that's a better idea. Yeah. It's leaving. Maybe just put it here. Yeah. Around it. Yeah. This is our backyard. Yeah, maybe put it right there.